Welcome stock enthusiasts. Today we're diving into Nifty 50's metal giants, Hindalco, JSW Steel and Tata Steel. These leaders have delivered massive 5-year returns over 275% each and show dramatic risk-reward moves. We'll break down their AI-powered growth tags, risk levels, and all the key numbers behind their 2025 performance. Curious which metal stock outshines the rest? Stay tuned for smart insights and the most exciting data-driven ranking. Quick recap: Python collects real-time stock data, OpenAI GPT crafts clear, concise summaries, all securely stored in MySQL, and Power BI visualize the insights with interactive dashboards. After storing the data, Power BI transforms it into clear, interactive visuals that reveal stock trends effortlessly. With historical data, we calculate returns to keep the analysis straightforward and beginner-friendly. Stock name: Hindalco Industries. Current price: 703.95. AI risk level: medium. AI tag: growth. Price and returns. Price YTD: 588.63. Return YTD: 19.59%. Price 1 year ago: 696.24. Return 1 year: 1.11%. Price 3 year ago: 430.51. Return 3 year: 63.52%. Price 5 year ago: 186.08. Return 5 year: 278.31%. AI summary: Hindalco Industries Ltd, Hindalco.ns, appears to be undervalued with a low P/E ratio of 9.25 and a forward P/E of 10.07, indicating potential for growth. The company has a healthy ROE of 14.73% and a decent profit margin of 6.89%. With strong earnings and revenue growth rates of 30.3% and 12.7% respectively, Hindalco shows promising growth prospects while maintaining profitability. However, the moderate debt-to-equity ratio of 53.056 poses a moderate level of risk. AI insight: strong earnings and revenue growth rates indicate potential for future stock price appreciation. Stock name: JSW Steel. Current price: 1026.60. AI risk level: high. AI tag: growth. Price and returns. Price YTD: 903.02. Return YTD: 13.69%. Price 1 year ago: 930.57. Return 1 year: 9.38%. Price 3 year ago: 657.17. Return 3 year: 56.22%. Price 5 year ago: 265.72. Return 5 year: 286.35%. AI summary: JSW Steel Limited, JSWSTEL.NS, is currently trading at a relatively high P/E ratio of 51.8223. But the forward P/E ratio of 15.6756 suggests a more reasonable valuation expectation. The P/B ratio of 3.1516 indicates a moderate level of the stock's price compared to its book value. With a low profit margin of 2.86% and a high debt-to-equity ratio of 122.497, there are profitability and financial risk concerns. However, the impressive earnings growth of 158.8% signals potential growth opportunities despite a modest revenue growth of 0.5%. AI insight: impressive earnings growth potential, but high financial risk due to substantial debt levels. Stock name: Tata Steel Limited. Current price: 154.48. AI risk level: high. AI tag: Caution. Price and returns. Price YTD 133.62. Return YTD 15.61%. Price 1 year ago 149.28. Return 1 year 3.48%. Price 3 year ago 100.46. Return 3 year 53.77%. Price 5 year ago 36.52. Return 5 year 323.02%. AI summary. Tata Steel Limited has a relatively high pay ratio of 42.32, indicating the stock may be overvalued based on current earnings. However, the forward pay ratio of 8.93 suggests potential future earnings growth. The PB ratio of 2.12 indicates the stock is trading at a reasonable price relative to its book value. The company has shown strong earnings growth of 116.9%, but revenue growth has been negative at -2.9%. With a low profit margin of 2.09% and high debt to equity ratio of 103.775, there are concerns about profitability and financial leverage. AI insight. Despite strong earnings growth, negative revenue growth, and high debt levels pose risks for Tata Steel's financial health. Which Nifty 50 metal stock is truly the giant in 2025? Let's break it down. Hindalco is priced at 703 rupees with the lowest pay ratio of 9, offering solid value and strong growth with medium risk. JSW Steel races ahead with a 1026 rupee price, massive 2.51 trillion rupee market cap, and the highest 5-year return. But beware, its sky-high pay of 52 and heavy debt mean serious risk for bold investors. Tata Steel, at just 154 rupees, delivers the best dividend yield and top long-term gain, but faces caution due to high debt and slowing revenue. So, value hunters, look at Hindalco. Risk takers, JSW Steel might thrill, but manage exposure. Income investors, Tata Steel's yield shines, but review the risks. Compare every key figure, price, pay, market cap, dividend, and debt before deciding. Love these smart, data-driven battles? Hit subscribe and enable the bell so you never miss deep AI-powered insights and market-winning ideas.